Like a chameleon changing colors, this solar panel bracket also adapts to different applications. Say hello to the Chameleon Solar Bracket. To install onto an IBR roof with portrait panel orientation, locate the Chameleon across IBR ribs and then secure diagonally across with the two provided screws. Align the solar panels firmly against the top T and tighten down with the number 6 Allen key. Plug screw openings with the provided security caps. The built-in aluminium contacts automatically bind the panels together for earthing. Just make sure the top T is rotated correctly. In addition to portrait installations, you can also attain landscape orientations by aligning the Chameleon with the IBR ribs. For framework installations, this amazing bracket also locates along any flat top beam. To install onto corrugated roof with portrait orientations, locate the Chameleon across corrugated ribs and secure with the two provided screws into the two innermost screw holes. At the end of panel strings, use the Chameleon end to balance the top T with the height of the panel, setting with the number 6 Allen key. The Chameleon is suitable for any panel thickness between 30mm up to 40mm. Notice that no rails are required and that the panels are statically isolated from the roof structure, where potential induced degradation is avoided, and the solar panels are not compromised by earthing them to a massive steel structure. In true African excellence, the Chameleon is fabricated with high-strength engineering polymers and is backed a 10-year guarantee against breaking, even under severe wind conditions. The Chameleon Solar Bracket is smarter, making your job faster and leaving the world greener.